Myth. Ancient colonies were just tiny empires copy-pasted overseas. Reality, it's messier, smarter, and way more human. First, the Greeks. They called them apoikiai, literally home leavings. Think daughter cities, Syracuse, Massalia, modern Marseille, Cyrene. Not puppets. These were usually independent, with their own laws. Why leave? Land shortages, trade opportunities, marriages, treaties, fights. Cadiz, Carthage, Motia. They built a web of ports to move metals, dyes, glass, ideas. Phoenicians adopted local gods and styles. Rome flips the script. Roman coloniae were tools of control. Plant veterans on strategic land, spread Roman law, language, roads. That's empire building with house keys. Locals got mixed outcomes. Citizenship paths for some, displacement for others. Persians? Less colonizing, more organizing, satrapies, garrisons, roads tying diverse peoples together. Gauls, Etruscans, Iberians, Greek pottery with local flair, temples that mix styles. Myth. Colonies were empty lands. Reality. Neighbors, shared markets, occasional war. So what's the big picture? Trade, identity remixing. Some empowered cities, some fueled conquest. All of them changed the map. If colony sounds loaded today, that's because power was always part of the story. But in antiquity, it also meant people taking risks, building new homes. Hit pause, rethink colony, look for the connections. That's the real plot twist.